Welcome to Todo Sarap! Do you like crabs? Perfect, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook chili crab. And these are the ingredients that we need. Well, crabs, of course, crab paste, soybean paste, red chili paste, water, oil, chopped green onions, lemons, brown sugar, oyster sauce, pepper, salt, onions, ginger, garlic, and tomato sauce. The first step is to cook the crabs. I added some salt and ground pepper. And I want to cook this for only 15 minutes because later I'm going to add this with the sauce and continue cooking it. So let's just cover this with a lid. And after 15 minutes, it should be cooked. I will set this aside. Next step, add some oil on a hot pan to saute the onions, ginger, then add the garlic last. Let's just saute this for a few minutes until the onions are translucent and we can add the tomato sauce. Then add the red chili paste or gochujang. And then I added the soybean paste. These two ingredients, I got this from the Korean store. It should be in the brown, like a brown lid, brown container, and the other one should be in the red container. Add some water and just mix them all together, and then let's add the oyster sauce. The brown sugar. Just keep stirring the sauce over low to medium heat, just making sure it doesn't stick to the pan. I'm going to add some crab paste. Remember that this is high in cholesterol, so just be careful in putting this. It depends on how much do you want, how much fat or cholesterol do you want. So just keep mixing them again, and then I'm adding some salt, just a little bit of salt, maybe a pinch of salt, and some ground pepper. Not too much ground pepper because the sauce is already spicy because of that red and hot sweet chili sauce, or the gochujang. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And then let's simmer the sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes before we add the crabs. And finally, we can add the crabs to the sauce. I just chopped this in half. And please don't forget the juice from the crabs because this will add more flavor to the sauce. And that will really taste so good. And let's cover it with a lid and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. And while we're waiting, let's chop the green onions about 1 inch long. And after 5 minutes, I think this is all done. Now I'm going to add the green onions on top. So just make sure that you mix all the sauce properly with the green onions as well as with the crabs. Aside from crab, you can also use shrimp for this recipe because shrimp is also good with this kind of sauce. And here's the complete list of the ingredients. And this is how I cook my chili crab with a little bit of Korean and Filipino fusion. If you like more Todo Sarap recipes, please don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching!